If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After creating a company file, you should customize its settings. To access these settings, click the Settings button. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open an Account and Settings window. The first time you open this window, a Company Profile overlay window may appear, asking you to enter basic company information. Enter your company's name into the company name field, the company's email address into the company email field, the company's address into the company address field, the company's city into the city field. Select the company's state from the state dropdown, enter the company's zip code into the zip code field, the company's phone number into the company phone number field, and then click the Save button. QuickBooks then saves this information and shows the Account and Settings window. The Company Settings categories appear in a menu at the left side of the Account and Settings window. They are Company, Usage, Payments, QuickBooks Checking, Sales, Expenses, Time, and Advanced. By default, the company settings appear to the right when the window opens. However, you can click any button in the menu to show its settings to the right instead. The Company Settings category contains settings in different sections that let you change information like your company's name, email, or phone number. To edit the individual settings in each section, except the Communications with Intuit section, click anywhere in a section to activate its settings. In the Company Name section, you can add a company logo, edit the company name, enter a legal name, and enter your EIN. To add a company logo, click the plus symbol next to the company logo to open a Logos window. If you already uploaded a logo, select it and click the Save button to finish. To upload a new logo, click the plus symbol in the empty box to open a system dialog box that lets you navigate to and select the logo file to upload. Then click the Open button in the system dialog box to upload the picture to QuickBooks Online and select it. To delete a logo, if it is not the currently applied logo, click the X button that appears in its upper right corner when you hover over it. Then click the Delete button in the confirmation window that appears, or click the Cancel button to cancel the deletion. After selecting the correct logo to use, click the Save button in the Logos window to apply it. To edit the company name, type it into the Company Name field. If the company's legal name is the same as the company name, then leave the Same as Company Name checkbox for the legal name checked. Otherwise, uncheck the checkbox and then enter your company's legal name into the field that appears. Enter your employer identification number into the EIN field. To save and apply the settings, click the Save button in this section. To cancel your changes, click the Cancel button. The Company Type section lets you edit the tax form and industry for your company. To select the type of tax form filed by your company, select it from the Tax Form dropdown. To change the industry, click into the Industry field and start typing your industry to show matching choices in a drop-down menu. Then click the choice to select. To save your changes, click the Save button in this section. To cancel your changes, click the Cancel button instead. The Contact Info section lets you edit the company's contact information. To change the email address at which QuickBooks can contact you, type it into the Company Email field. If this email is the same one at which customers can contact you and which you want to show on invoices, then leave the Same as Company Email checkbox checked for the customer-facing email. To change the email shown to customers on invoices, uncheck the Same as Company Email checkbox and then type the desired email into the field that then appears. Enter the phone number to show on sales forms into the Company Phone field. Finally, enter the website address to show on sales forms into the Website field. To save and apply your changes, click the Save button in this section. Otherwise, click the Cancel button. The Address sections let you enter company addresses. To enter the default company address, click the Address section with the company address label and type the address where your company is based and for which QuickBooks should calculate subscription taxes into the search field, and then select it from the drop-down list that appears. After selecting or entering a default company address, then click the Save button to save your changes, or click the Cancel button to cancel them. To enter a different customer-facing address or legal address if needed, click the corresponding address labels section, uncheck the Same as Company Address checkbox, and enter the other address the same way you entered your default company address. To save your changes for any address, click the Save button in its section. To cancel the changes, click Cancel. To set your Intuit marketing preferences, click the Marketing Preferences link in the Communications with Intuit section to open a web page. In this page, click the Preferences link. To set email and SMS communication preferences for an Intuit product, click to select the name of the product under the Email and SMS Communications section. Then check or uncheck the email or SMS checkbox for each type of contact to enable or disable it respectively. Then click the Save button below the list. To set personalized ad preferences, click to toggle the switches on or off under the Personalized Ads section in this page. To set communication preferences with Intuit, click to toggle the switches on or off under the Communications from Intuit section for each type of communication. When finished, close the web page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.